How rich is the Taliban? And where does their money come from? The Taliban of 2021 looks very different on TV news clips nowadays compared to the Taliban of the late 1990s. If the improvement of the quality of telecast is one of the reasons, the other is the visual get-up of the Afghan militant outfit. Their weapons look brand new and shining. Their Humvee type vehicles are in perfect running order. The clothes they wear look clean and new. The Taliban of 2021 no longer looks rabid and ragged. They look all disciplined, legion of well fed, well to do fighters on a mission to take over the governance of the country. Any reason why wouldn't they look smug and self satisfied? Their organization is flushed with funds as everyone knows nothing spells success better than thick fat wallet. So, how is the Taliban worth and where does the money come from? In 2016, Forbes listed Taliban as the fifth richest of 10 terrorist organizations that they had featured. ISIS had a turnover of 2 billion US dollars. Taliban at number 5 had a modest annual turnover of $400 million. Forbes listed Taliban's primary sources of revenue as drug trafficking, protection money, and donations, and this was in 2016 when it was not even the dominant force in Afghanistan. According to a NATO confidential report accessed by Radio Free Europe, the annual budget of the Taliban in financial year 2019 to 20 had been $1.6 billion, a 400% rise in 4 years when compared to the Forbes figure of 2016. Radio Free Europe gave a breakdown of the revenues listing the different heads under which the Taliban earned their dollars. Through mining, they earned $464 million, drugs, $416 million, foreign donations, $240 million, exports, $240 million, taxes, $160 million, real estate, $80 million. The confidential NATO report highlighted the fact that the Taliban leadership was chasing self sufficiency in order to become an independent political and military entity. Over the years, the organization has been reducing its dependency on foreign donations and contributions. In 2017 to 18, it had reportedly received an estimated $500 million, or about half of its total funding, then from foreign sources. This had reduced to roughly 15% of their total revenues by 2020. In that same fiscal year, the government of Afghanistan's official budget stood at $5.5 billion. Out of this, only less than 2% was for defense. However, the bulk of funding the Keep Taliban Out of Afghanistan project was taken up by America. Looking at it purely from an economic point of view, the Taliban's return on investment is getting better day by day. No wonder that they look so pleased with themselves as they quickly fill the gap being left by the dislodging of US and NATO forces. Their business is flourishing. The prospect of higher profit almost a reality as Afghanistan readies itself to pay the price of defeat.